What is up, everybody? Nick's here. Welcome. What the frick was that? What is up, everybody? Nick's here with another video. Today, I'm joined by Simon. Hi. We're gonna be going to Micro Center this vlog, and we're gonna be getting cases for our PCs
and power supplies.
I always forget that one. So yeah, we're finally getting freaking computers, and we're gonna be able to edit something on our computers. I have to put the cart back, and I completely have to weasel my way through everything. It's so bad. Alright! We got the Fractal Design Meshify C computer case. It's the white version, and I am so stoked. We also got Corsair's CX550M. So before we can freaking build all of this, the last thing we need is the graphics card. Everything will finally be all together. So far, everything is just looking so hot together. Okay, we're gonna give you a sneak peek of what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so freaking hot. I have all the parts and everything on the floor right now. Today, we're gonna be going to the allergist and just getting some allergy shots. So yeah, let's go back in the car.